Okay, now we're in domain 5.3, database structures. Not all data looks the same. Some is neat and organized, while some is complete chaos. Data falls into three categories. Unstructured, a box of random family photos, no labels, just clutter. Semi-structured, like a family group chat, some order but still messy. Structured, a family tree chart, clean and organized with names and birthdays in place. A relational database works like a family tree with rules. Schema equals the family rules. Tables equals separate households. Rows equal individual family members. Columns, their details, name, age, relationship. A primary key equals something unique, like a social security number. A foreign key equals in-laws, linking one family to another. Constraints equal family rules, like you can't be in two households at once. Now, non-relational databases are more flexible. Key or value stores are like labeling a box. Favorite food, pizza. Document databases are like a child's scrapbook. Photos, report cards, and drawings, all mixed together in one place. Okay, so bringing it back to the Game of Thrones, structured data equals lineage charts of noble houses. Semi-structured equals various coded birds messages. Unstructured equals old tales and rumors of the long night. Local storage equals scrolls and Winterfeld's crypts. Cloud storage equals brand, the distributed memory of all history. Online versus offline, think of ravens delivering scrolls in real time or delayed. Okay, continuing on the Game of Thrones theme, a relational database is like House Stark's family tree. Schema equals the rules of inheritance. Tables equal the noble houses. Rows equal each family member. Columns equal name, titles, loyalties. Primary key, think of Ned Stark, the unique head of House Stark. Foreign key, think of Sansa, whose link into the House Lannister and House Bolton. Constraints equal rules like only true-born heirs may inherit. Meanwhile, non-relational is Arya's kill list. Think keys and value pairs, or ancient prophecies stored as full documents with mixed details.